Before you begin, ensure that you have the appropriate PPE and that you've read the instructions fully. Replacement instructions can be downloaded from galebreaker.com. Ensure that you have all parts as listed on the first page of your installation instructions. Fit cowling brackets using the supplied M8 bolts and nuts. Note that only 3 brackets are required on the drive end. Cut a 50 by 220 mm notch in the end of one cowling section before assembly to accept the chain wheel. Fit the cowling chain wheel bracket using the M8 by 70 mm bolt. To position the bracket face 60 mm from the inside edge of the top bracket. Secure with a nylock nut. Measure the total length to be covered. Ensure the measurement is taken from the outside edge of the top brackets and calculate the required overlap using the 1.75 metre cowling sections with a minimum overlap of 265 mm per join. The individual sections do not need cutting down to fit. Overlap in some configurations can be in excess of 600 mm per join. Mark the overlap positions on 2 faces of the cowl section to assist in correct alignment. Fit 6 rivets per face, marking 10 mm from each end and the centre of the join. Make sure the rivet pattern is the same as shown. It is recommended to use an electric or compressed air riveting tool when working with stainless rivets. Electric cordless rivet tools can be hired from several tool hire companies. Try to work corner to corner to ensure the join remains uniform and aligned. When riveting the joins, it is important to ensure the cowl is straight and level. If working on uneven ground, the cowl section may require lifting to ensure a uniform fit. When securing the top face, additional clamps such as mole grips can be helpful to keep the sections aligned when drilling and riveting. If you're fitting the cowl directly against an eaves beam or cladding, the top rivets may be reversed to ensure a flat face for flush installation. Check the length again before riveting the final join. Once the cowl has been assembled, lift into position. If using a forklift or access platform to lift the cowling, roll the assembly onto its front face. This offers much greater support and reduces the risk of deforming or damaging the cowling before final installation. When the cowling has been positioned at the correct height, carefully roll the cowl onto the brackets and secure with the supplied M5.5 by 19 self-drilling screws. Do not fit the self-drilling screws within 20 mm of the cowling edge to avoid hitting the nuts used to secure the cowling brackets. As a safety precaution, do not fit your cowling in high wind or adverse weather conditions. Should you require a replacement part, these can be obtained from the Galebreaker website or from your local distributor.